Unboxing Fiido 𝐅𝐢𝐢𝐝. Unbox the bike and take out all the components. Check if all the accessories are there. Adjust the handlebars. Use the hex wrench to loosen the 4 screws on the top of the stem cap. Adjust the handlebar direction, setting it to an angle of 15 degrees, 25 degrees with the horizontal plane. Then, use the hex wrench to tighten the 4 screws on the stem in a diagonal pattern. Install the front wheel. Reverse the axle handle into the axle notch, and unscrew the axle from the front fork counterclockwise. Remove the brake caliper anti-clamp spacer. Ensure that no metal ring is present inside the front wheel protector before installing the front wheel. Lift the front of the bike, align the front wheel disc with the brake caliper, and align the left and right sides of the hub with the front fork slots to hang the front wheel. Install the axle onto the front wheel, ensuring the handle locks into place, and tighten the handle clockwise. Install the seat and pedals. Take out the seat post clamp, loosen the screw, and place it into the main tube slot. Take out the seat post cap and slide it onto the seat post. Ensure the end with the cap faces the front of the saddle. Insert the seat post into the main tube, adjust the height, tighten the seat post using a hex wrench, and cap it to complete the installation. Take out the pedals. The 𝐅 marking indicates the right pedal, and the 𝐿 marking indicates the left pedal. Install the 𝐅 pedal on the right crank arm, rotate it towards the front wheel, and tighten it using a hex tool. Install the 𝐿 pedal on the left crank arm, rotate it towards the front wheel, and tighten it using a hex tool. Register your fingerprint. Press the power button in the center of the bike. Install and register the Fiido app, then use the app to search for Fiido 𝐅𝐢𝐢𝐝 and pair it. Once connected, swipe the unlock button to the right to power on the bike. Enter the app devices, search for Fiido 𝐅𝐢𝐢𝐝. Connect, settings, fingerprint, add new fingerprint. When enrolling a fingerprint, the fingerprint switch will display a blue breathing light. Each fingerprint requires pressing 8 times for enrollment. Follow the app prompts for fingerprint input. Starting the bike. After successfully enrolling the fingerprint, use the enrolled finger to press and hold for 3 seconds to recognize the fingerprint. Note, if the buzzer beeps twice and the red LED flashes, it indicates fingerprint recognition failure, and the fingerprint needs to be re-registered. Double tap with any finger, and the buzzer will beep once, with a light purple light staying on for 2 seconds to turn the lights on/off. Adjustment, touch with any finger. Traditional cycling mode, light purple, stays on for 10 seconds, with 1 beep from the buzzer. Normal mode, yellow, stays on for 10 seconds, with 1 beep from the buzzer. Sport mode, purple, stays on for 10 seconds, with 1 beep from the buzzer. Connecting and using the Mate watch with the 𝐅𝐢𝐢𝐝. The watch is pre-connected to the bike before shipment. To use, simply charge the watch fully and press and hold the side button to turn it on. If you need to connect a new device, follow the steps below for reconnection. Note, the watch can only connect to 1 device. If you wish to connect the Fiido app, please disconnect the bike first. 1. Use the finger with the registered fingerprint and press the fingerprint switch to turn on the bike's power. 2. Then, press the fingerprint switch for about 6 seconds until the fingerprint light starts flashing light blue, indicating the bike's Bluetooth is on. After the watch is powered on, press and hold the watch's side button until the icon starts flashing, indicating that the watch's Bluetooth is pairing. Use the smartwatch to control bike functions. 1. Adjust the assist level. Tap the assist level area on the lower part of the watch screen to adjust the assist level. 2. View parameters. Swipe right on the speed page to view usage time, maximum speed, mileage, etc. 3. Turn on/off the front light. Swipe right on the parameter page to adjust bike and watch display functions. Tap machine status to turn on/off the front light. Caution, when connected, the watch show bike mode. To switch to the watch mode, you can follow these steps. Short, press the side button to turn on the screen. Long, press the side button to bring up the switch interface. Tap on watch mode to enter the watch interface without affecting the data connection between the watch and the bike's instrument panel. Tap on bike mode to enter the normal operation interface of the instrument panel. How to charge. Open the rubber cover on the charging port located above the bottom bracket. Note that the charger connector is designed with a foolproof mechanism to prevent incorrect insertion. Align the charger connector with the bike's charging port foolproof mechanism. Connect the charger to a power source to begin charging. The red light indicates charging is in progress, while the green light indicates the battery is fully charged. Once fully charged, disconnect the power cable. Grip the charging port's foolproof mechanism. Rotate it 15 degrees counterclockwise to remove the charging cable, and then cover the charging port with the dust cap.